Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to express my gratitude to you for giving me this opportunity to make a suo motu statement regarding the unfortunate incident which occurred at Minsnath, Thangskov area of East Jaintia Hills district on 5th of February 2026. Sir, on the morning of 5th February 2026, it was reported that an explosion occurred at an illegal coal mining site in the Minsnath, Thangskov area of East Jaintia Hills district. The district administration, district police, SDRF, NDRF, fire and emergency services, and medical teams immediately launched coordinated search and rescue operations, during which 18 bodies were recovered on the first day, 4 bodies on 6th of February 2026, 2 bodies on 7th of February 2026. 8 injured persons were rescued, of whom 4 later succumbed to injuries on the 6th, 9th, 10th, and 11th of February 2026 at Nigram's Shillong and Aggie Hospital, Beltola, Guwahati. 2 deaths were reported by families on 6th February 2026, which was verified by authorities. So the total reported deaths as of today, the 16th of February 2026, is 33 numbers. Sir, I would like to state that relief measures and assistance were initiated to support the affected families. A total of 24 lakhs has been dispersed to the next of kin of 8 deceased persons. The process of dispersing ex gratia relief to the remaining families and next of kin is underway, with daily communication channel being maintained with the families for getting the requisite details. After sustained operations and after due consultation with all rescue agencies in the search and rescue operation at Minsnath, Thangskov area was finally closed at 5 p.m. on 9th of February 2026. In connection with the incident, a suo motu FIR has been registered via Clariat PS. A special investigation team has been formed by the Director General of Police, Meghalaya. The SIT is headed by DIG Eastern Range, comprising Superintendent of Police, East Jaintia Hills, Deputy Superintendent of Police, East Jaintia Hills, and other police officers, has been formed on 12th of February 2026 to investigate the above case. It may be stated that 7 persons have been arrested in relation to the above FIR. The District Task Force, headed by the Deputy Commissioner and comprising of Superintendent of Police, DFO Territorial, District Transport Officer, District Mining Officer, and other officials have been monitoring the incident and taking a concerted effort to curb illegal mining and illegal transportation of coal. These include seizure of illegally mined coal, recovery of explosives, registration of FIRs, arrests, promulgation of prohibitory orders under Section 163 BNSS, and dismantling of cranes and allied machinery at the site to prevent resumption of illegal mining. Sir, as per preliminary inputs received, the explosion was likely caused by the use of explosive substances during illegal mining operations. Sir, prohibitory orders under Section 163 of BNSS were promulgated in and around mining sites within East Jaintia Hills district to prevent obstruction of enforcement operations and deter illegal mining activities. Consequent to the same, a team comprising of executive magistrate, police personnel, and officials of the Directorate of Mineral Resources were constituted to step up enforcement drives on a daily basis. Notably, 5 additional teams have been mobilized to conduct raids and seizures. We have also deputed 6 additional gazetted officers, 8 additional sub-inspectors, and 4 additional numbers of platoons of armed battalion force. Apart from main FIR related to the above incident, a total of 62 FIRs have been filed till date, out of which 57 were filed after the incident and 5 were filed prior to the incident. These 62 FIRs are related to illegal extraction of coal. Moreover, 5 FIRs were filed on illegal transportation of coal and 2 on seizures of explosives. Further, a total of 7 persons have been arrested in these cases till date, apart from the 7 persons arrested in connection with the Mingsna Thangsko incident.